Okay, so I've gotten a lot of stuff done today, just none of it has been here at the house. I have been going back and forth. I had a lot of pet sits going on, but I'm here for a few hours back at the house, and he wanted out of his cage so he could play and be fussy and be a bird. So while he's out here enjoying this, I have been cutting these little tiny pieces of trim. And let me show you why. Right here at the edge of the threshold, you see where the edges come in and meet, but they don't meet evenly. We're going to finish it off. With that, I'm going to stain it. And I did a good job cutting that. Look at that. So anyway, I got to stain that. But what happened is because Phoenix can't see real good and he tries to get to the edge here to feel this, to know how that step goes. And he got really close right in here and his toenails went in there and bent it backwards. And so we cannot have that. So we're fixing that immediately. And I've got the other one here. I just have to measure it. And this will be for the back door. Then I'll stain them and put them in. In the meantime, here's Mr. Goofy. Whatever. Look at you showing how pretty you are. Oh my goodness. Let me see. Show me pretty. Oh, he's just the best looking boy. What you got in there? What is that? He's gonna break it. He is dying to break it. You want an apple? Hmm? Do you want apple? See, I know him enough to know that by the way that he is playing with that toy, he's in an aggressive mood. It would not do good for me to come near him right now. He's venting some frustrations. But when I went to get him out of the cage, he was completely loving and just ready to come out. And honestly, it might even be that I'm just standing there watching him. Let's see if he relaxes a little bit. I know sometimes he's not real thrilled about the camera. Okay, so back to this. I have got to go back here and measure, and I need to find where I put my measuring tape. I just had it. Alright, it's not out here, so it must be in this mess. Oh, I cannot wait till this paper is up. That will be amazing. That's where I've got to measure. And what did I do with the measuring tape? Let me pause this while I find it. Okay, found it. So what is that? 30 1/4. All right, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to measure that one more time. 30. Yeah, okay. All right, no squirrels are eating the bird food. God, I have so much fun with those squirrels. Chasing them. I know the neighbors think I'm crazy, and I really don't care. I just have fun. All right. How you doing, buddy? You doing better? You're looking a little better. You were just seeming a little fussy. Yes. Oh, yeah, you were. Okay, now you're better. Because you're not being a brat. All right, let me see. How am I going to do this one-handed? Maybe if I got my tripod out, right? My gimbal. All right, so 30 1/4 is going to be right around there. Right around there. And that was him hitting his head. It did not seem to faze him. All right, let me saw this. And I'll get back. Hi. Hi, baby. I'll be right back. All right, cut this one. Let's see if it is the right length. Yeah. I still don't think for this particular edge that this is going to be good enough. I'm not sure. But it may have to do for now. Just to make sure at least that his toenails don't get caught in that. But let's see what we can do. All right, now to stain it. Oh. Feels good getting little things done, even something as small as this. Feels good. All right, I'm gonna just switch the gear. I don't even know if that's gonna sit straight. Hold on. He paused. All right. Now the position. There we go. All right, I got that. I have like 2 half cans left, so I'm going to combine these two so it's not taking up space. Ooh, this does smell strong. This is something you definitely want to have good ventilation. And I'm seeing that there's no way that is going to fit in there. Oh, man. Oh, well. Just leave it alone then. Hi. Who are you talking to? Do you hear that dog? Hear that little dog? Oh, I need a rag to wipe it. Somebody's treat. Phoenix. Phoenix. Hi. Phoenix, come here. Here. Come here, buddy. Right here. I'm right here. Come here. There's your treat. Yeah. You don't even know where to go with it. He's so sweet. All right. I hate that I'm going to have this all over me again. What? I realized something I was doing wrong. I started wiping on the end that was the last that I put the stain on, so it didn't have near as much time right here. So I'm just going to do a light little coating over there. Flip it. Let's see. There we go. All right, one down. You're good. All right, so this time I'm going to start at the bottom. Okay. And that is all I'm doing today. Well, I probably might. I mean, I'm going to go ahead and install these, I guess. I've got some finishing nails. I think that's what it takes. I hear people, but I don't see people. Hi. Hi, honey. Hello there. Alright, so now I gotta see what kind of finishing nails I have. And my concern is this wood being so thin, it's splitting. And I don't know if maybe I should drill a hole first. Pre-drill it. All right. What I'm going to do is I'm going to let this dry and then quite possibly pre-drill it first, and then I'll install it. So that may end up being tomorrow, just because I'm having some spasms after this, especially. Over here, you being all kinds of crazy. See, now he's, I don't know if you can tell that his whole spirit is calmer. He was just going through a fussy spell. Him gets fussy. We all get fussy sometimes. But it's okay. Yeah, it is. It's okay. Yeah. So your mama knows you. Yeah. Mama knows not to push you. Right? And I love you, and I love your kisses. Oh my gosh, it's the best ones ever. Yeah. Yeah. What's he doing? Who is that? Do you want to go back over there on your perch? Let's go back on your perch. Just turn it. There we go. Whoa. There you go. Those legs that I added to that are working really well. All right, so that's, I think, all for today. I'm really tired and I just want to relax. I mean, let me just show you something. I got little daffodils coming up in the yard. I found a patch. Oh, let me show you. You just thought you were done with me? Oh. Okay, let me just make sure this is closed because we don't want nobody escaping. All right, let me show you. That's supposed to go up soon, but I gotta get what I need for it. But right here, my daffodils. And look at, they're like the triple, quadruple, whatever they're called. Not just your regular ones. They got a little more fluffy stuff in the middle. My Vinca is blooming. Hi, babe. So, but back to what I was going to show you. Right over here. This is a patch of irises that are coming up. And some more stuff coming up right there. So I am excited to see. And the mums I planted, look at there. Every one of them made it. Every single one of them that I planted made it. So, I planted, but who made it grow? Not me. But look at just little preciousness here. Is that sweet? And there's some more little things coming up over there. So this is the part I've been excited about seeing. Some kind of lily looks like. But seeing what all's going to come up here. And this looks like a hydrangea that's been cut back severely. But I'm not sure yet. I got to see the leaves a little bit, but that's kind of what I'm thinking. That's what it looks like so far anyway. But that ended up good. Got all those leaves moved from up there to over there. And little things are happening. You need to stop that. Do you want to go back? Are you ready? Huh? What do you want to do? What? Do you want to step up? Yeah. Okay. Do you want to go back? Oh, okay. A lot of excitement. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye. All right. Good enough. Good job. Good boy. Alright, got him put up for the night. That's all.